Okay, so welcome back. Today we're going to show you a really cool piece of free software that I use all the time, and it allows you to do what we've got here. I've got a rather obsolete smartphone that's mounted on this nice bracket that's got a suction cup attaches to a window, and this smartphone is being powered by USB, but it is using the camera in the smartphone, and we are streaming the camera image, the live video feed from this camera in real time to my computer into this window that you see here. And you can see it's live, you can see the leaves rustling, and I use this all the time. In fact, I've got another camera connected doing the same thing. I've got two cameras connected, and I can go up here to this tab and go to the second camera, and this shows you another camera that is doing a live streaming video, and I use this all the time when creating videos for YouTube, showing what's going on in my bench. So you can jump back and forth between the two cameras in real time. And in fact, this can allow you to have up to 4 cameras. So really nice way to do, you might do it for maybe a security camera if you've got an unused camera laying around, or do what I do, stream the video when you're creating videos for YouTube or whatever. So really nice way to, for free, have access to your camera over Wi-Fi. And the software we're going to talk about is, you can see up here in the top left, it's called Iriun Webcam. Now there's other software out there that will do something similar. I'm using Irian because it seems to work fine for me. Depending on your needs, you might need different software. But we're also in future videos going to show how to use this Iriun Webcam software to develop our own C# Windows Forms application, where we can grab this video coming from this Iriun Webcam software and put it into our own window, and then we can do various image manipulation and object detection and that kind of thing. But in this video, we're just going to show you how to get this set up so you can get what we've got here. Now, in order to use this software, you're going to have to download it onto your smartphone, and you're going to have to download into your desktop, which you've got here. So you're going to have this desktop software, and we're also going to have to download it from Google Play onto our phone. But I'll show you for your desktop how to download Iriun Webcam, and we're on version 2.7.8, and we'll show you how to get this all set up. So here is the Iriun.com website, IRIUM.com, and you can see you can download what's called Webcam for Windows, which is what I've got. You can do Webcam for Mac and Webcam for Ubuntu. And they've got some other stuff, but it's pretty straightforward. Just download that and start it up on both devices, your desktop and your smartphone, and you should be ready to go. So now we've already downloaded and we're started up the executable, and you have to accept the agreement. Down here you can select how many cameras you want to be able to access, and I've got 2 selected. There's a drop down, goes up to 4, and we can go next, and then here's where we install it. Next. It already exists because I'm reinstalling over an existing application, and we hit install. So very quickly we've installed it, and it's going to start Iriun Webcam server on the desktop. So I'll hit finish and start it up, and you can see as it starts up, I've got the one camera, and I can go to the other one, and I've got the second camera, and it's all set to go. Really very straightforward to do this. Now, it also says you can do USB instead of Wi-Fi. I've seen people have problems. I haven't tried it, but it may or may not work with USB connection, but I know it works fine with Wi-Fi. Also, I haven't tried it with audio. It may or may not work well with audio if you need audio. So I'm going to start up Device Manager, and you can see now we have under Cameras, we've got Iriun Webcam. Makes your remote camera act like an actual local camera. And then under audio inputs, it shows microphone Iriun Webcam. Just to verify that you've got it, you can go to Device Manager. And that's about it. And in future videos, what we're going to do is, this software is really good for helping you to make a remote camera like we have here accessible in your C# Windows Forms application, as it makes it appear as a local camera, and then you can grab in your application, and then you can go and do object detection and all kinds of fancy stuff and we'll show you how to do that. But that's about it for this one. If you like any of these videos, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notifications. But most of all, please let others know that we're here so we get some views. Really appreciate it. Otherwise, take care. Have a really good day. Thanks.